Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1AAuto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
In this video, we're going to be working with our 2002 Chevy Suburban. We're going to show you how to remove and replace your vehicle's front drive shaft. If you like this video, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this and many other vehicles. And if you ever need parts for your car, you can follow the link down in the description over to 1AAuto.com. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. Before removing the front bolts on your drive shaft, make sure that your vehicle's transmission is in neutral. Raise and support your vehicle. We're using a lift to make it easier to show you guys what's going on at home, but this job can easily be done in the driveway or your garage with a jack and jack stands. Your front drive shaft is located here between the front differential and the transfer case flange on the driver's side of the transmission. If you're going to be reinstalling your old drive shaft, you'll need to index it to make sure it goes back in the same way it came out. Do this by drawing a line on the flange and the drive shaft with a paint marker. Cut the clamp on the dust boot with a pair of side cutters. It helps to twist when you're cutting these and just kind of snap them off. Remove the clamp and peel back the boot. You may need a flat blade screwdriver to help pop the boot off. Once the boot's peeled off, we'll index the yoke to the side of our transfer case housing. Stick a pry bar in between the forks of the yoke and the drive shaft and brace it against your torsion bar. You can then loosen the bolts with an 11mm socket, ratchet, and extension. Remove the U-joint strap. Rotate your drive shaft 180 degrees and reinstall the pry bar. Remove the remaining two 11mm bolts. If your drive shaft is rusty like ours is, you may need to use a pry bar to remove the drive shaft from the yoke. Sometimes they will come out by hand. Move it out of the way of the yoke and slide it out of the transfer case. Reinstall the splined end of your drive shaft into the transfer case. Then set the alignment marks on your drive shaft. Reinstall the strap and the 11mm bolt. Place the pry bar back inside of the yoke and torque the 11mm bolts to 19 foot-pounds. Remove your pry bar and rotate the drive shaft 180 degrees. Your transmission should still be in neutral. And repeat these steps. Install a new clamp around the boot. The way these ones work is you loop it around and then hook it over, and I'll show you how to crimp it. You get it hooked onto itself like that, and then use a pair of side cutters if you don't have a crimping tool like this. Set it over the edges of the crimp, and then pinch it down nice and tight. If you're using side cutters, it's important to be careful here and not go too tight, or you'll just cut through it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.